Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I like to make several earrings in one video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these earrings. Friends, I need your support. Give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel so that not to miss new videos. And also leave your comments because I really want to know your opinion. So friends, enjoy this video and let's start.
Cut it out the form of earring of paper. Roll out polymer clay and cut out details of earring. Make a texture on the surface. This is gold foil for nail design. I put pieces on clay, it could stick to the surface. Polymer clay mixed with sparkles. And next make second earrings. Cut out details. Cover with liquid Fima. And put such long beads on the surface. and make last detail of the earring. I use small beads. So now bake in oven all details of earrings. While details were baked in oven, my cat came to me and fell asleep at my workplace. And fell asleep so tightly that he stuck out his tongue. Love him so much. Now need to polish details of earrings. Take acrylic paint and cover the surface. While one earring dry, I make another. Collect all details of earring together. Cover earrings with special varnish. When it dry, it will become transparent. I really like these earrings and I tried to make them. Big thanks for watching my video. And please write in comments what earrings you liked more. And guys, see you in next video. Bye!